Hold up your hand and count. 1 finger, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is where numbers begin, with things you can point to. But numbers don't stop at your fingertips. Line them up in order, and they stretch out like marks on a ruler. And that ruler runs further and stranger than you'd think. So let's lay them out one even step at a time and see how far the line really goes. 1, 2, 3, and on. Each mark one step past the last evenly spaced forever. These are the whole numbers, the ones we count with. But where does counting start? Put a 0 here, at the center, standing for nothing at all. And once there's a 0, you can step the other way too. 1 below, 2 below, into the negatives. Now look between the marks. Halfway from 0 to 1 sits 1/2. Split again for a third, a quarter, and you can keep splitting as finely as you like. Every fraction has its own exact place on the line. The line is getting crowded, and it's tempting to think fractions fill it completely. But look closer at one particular spot. Draw a square, 1 unit on each side. Its diagonal has a length. Swing that length down onto the line, and it comes to rest right about here, a hair past 1.4. And yet no fraction lands on that point. None of them. The square root of 2 simply cannot be written as one whole number over another, no matter how large you let them grow, and you can prove it. It is the first of the irrationals. It has company. Roll a circle along the line, and where it comes to rest is pi, 3.1415, and on forever, with no repeating pattern and no fraction that ever quite reaches it. So fractions leave gaps, and these stranger numbers fill them. Push a little further and ask just how tightly everything on this line is packed. Pick any 2 numbers, however close together, and there is always another one between them, and between those, another, without end. The line has no smallest step and no tiny holes. Fractions and irrationals together, shoulder to shoulder with nothing left out. That seamless, gap-free line is what we call the real numbers, a true continuum. From 5 fingers to a line with no end and no gaps. That is the number line. And it doesn't even stop there. Step off it at a right angle, and a whole new plane of numbers opens up.